Hello everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Hector and today I'm going to show you how Footprint's Advanced Analytics module works for you to understand and predict your marketing and sales performances. Once again, Footprints is one of the most advanced omnichannel retail media platforms worldwide that has the unique capability to fuse the online and the offline customer data so to provide the right toolbox for you to target and convert customers more profitably. Our advanced analytics module has multiple sub-reports and we shall start by looking at the surrounding community insights. This report displays insights from the shopper's online activity and impressions inside the catchment area surrounding the retail property. In 4 segments, we know the shopper's social demographics, how this activity performs against the competition, what this says about the shopper's online habits, and how this influences the indoor traffic. At the top of the report, we have the audiences, which gives us insights into the total number of impressions created by different kinds of shoppers when engaging with the retail property, including its tenants, brands, and services where applicable. Below it, we have the penetration rate component, which comes from the surrounding community to indoor visits, indicating the percentage of people in the most target market who visit the location. And last but not least, we have the online activity in the surrounding community, which allows us to have valuable insights into the interests and preferences of the retail location's target audience, highlighting when they engage, how they engage, and the daily and hourly breakdown of their engagement, as well as the gender and age of the community. Moving on to the next report, we have the indoor traffic performance. And this report gives us information onto the total number of visits, the visit duration, the engaged versus passive visits, the conversion funnel, which is different types of visits, and an overview of your shopper's visit duration as broken down by 3 different segments. This report, like all the other reports, can be generated for a single month or for an array of months. The case by selecting these 3 months, we're able to see the change versus benchmark average and the information per month. Let's go back to November. Below these 2 charts, we're also able to have insights of when your shoppers visit your retail location by providing us with a heat map divided by days of the month and hours of the day. When we hover on top of the squares, we're able to see the visits for that day and that hour and in relation to the total number of visits, and the colors determine when there was small or low versus high visits. Our next report on the series of reports is the indoor traffic flow. This report provides us with valuable information into customer behavior and movement inside the retail property. This allows us for the optimization of the placement of stores and merchandise within the retail location, improving the shopping experience for customers and increasing foot traffic to the stores. This will also lead to increased sales and profitability for the tenants. In Footprints, we can track visitors 2 steps before and after they visit a given tenant during a month or an array of months, as discussed previously. Here we have the selected tenant and we are able to see their path or the different visitors 2 steps before and 2 steps after, made that just coming into the retail store or on their way out. We can also select the tenant and follow the path of movement of different visitors based on their tenants. For our next report, we have the indoor traffic forecast. And this report aims to predict the traffic that will visit your retail property and will also give you insights of the real traffic that it has had. In this case, we're looking at information during the one of the peaks of the COVID pandemic. So that's why here we see a drop of the real-time traffic. But once the restrictions lifted, we're able to see that the predicted traffic and the real traffic are correlated. It is a fantastic report for you to predict and to look ahead onto what expected traffic you have in the store and make changes and marketing decisions accordingly. Our next report, the indoor behavioral segments, gives us a high-level view into the segmentation of all online and offline unique shoppers by contrasting the four segments: low engagement, high engagement, loyal, high potential, into a single report where we can compare their frequency of traffic in number of tenants and rate your omnichannel environment. This report has two sections. One is the heat map that you're allowed to hover on top to see the number of visitors per tenants, as well as the percentage breakdown of the total number of visitors for a specific array or a single month. Our last but not least report is the offline to online sales attribution. Like with the previous reports, this can be generated for an array of months or for a single month. On the left-hand side of the report, we have the indoor activities to online performance, which displays the total impact that offline activities have on the online performance. This section is divided into three different KPIs. The online search, which is represented in the total number of all organic searches. The online traffic, which shows the total number of all active users from both web and mobile activities. And online conversions, which is the total number of online conversions. In the case of this dummy data set, we don't have any. On the right-hand side of the report, we have the online activities to indoor performance, which focuses on all online activities that have an impact on those offline activities. This section, like the previous one, has three KPIs. The first is the indoor visitors, which is shown by the total number of offline visits. The in-store visitors, which represents the total unique number of visits with at least one tenant. And the in-store conversion, which contains the total offline transactions at the retail property. Your organization can benefit from knowing the omnichannel impact from both online to offline and vice versa, because it provides insights into how customers move between the retail property, online, and physical spaces. This information can help you understand its online presence and effectiveness of your location and make informed decisions about how to optimize its online and offline channels to serve your customers better. For instance, the retail property can use this information to determine how to integrate its online and offline channels, such as by offering online shopping with in-store pickup or by providing seamless experience across different platforms. And one additional benefit of this report and knowing the omnichannel impact is that you can help your retail property to identify opportunities to improve the customer experience and drive more sales and revenue. And that's all for today, folks. My name is Hector, and it was an honor to walk you through our advanced analytics module. If you have any questions, please feel free to book a call with us, and we will be very happy to answer all of your questions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.